Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY. So I'll try to keep the video short because I have already discussed in detail on my video on Saturday and already in my previous video on GBP JPY. So JPY is the weakest currency of the day again. So as a result, we are seeing all the JPY pairs are flying again. As I've already discussed in my video on Saturday that there is a possibility that Japanese finance minister will be having a meeting with the prime minister regarding the price hike, and in that case, okay, we will see some correction, some selling on Japanese yen pairs. But as of now, Japanese yen is the weakest currency, and that's why we are seeing twing Japanese pairs going up. This is the condition of USD JPY. The present chart of USD JPY right now trading at 123.05. This is the current market price. And as I said on Saturday that there's a high possibility of market breaking the level of 122.40. So market broke and market going up now. But the problem with the Japanese yen pairs is that they are not giving us any retracement level to enter, because we know that whenever a market is an uptrend, buying at dip is the best trading strategy or the safest trading strategy. But these Japanese yen pairs are not giving us any retracement level. So as a result, it is very difficult for us to enter, or it has become really very tough for us to enter. Okay, so though market is trading at 123.06, if you have a buy position, then you are good, you are doing well, continue with the buy position. But if you are looking for fresh entry, fresh buy position, then my dear friend, you can enter at your own risk. But again, I'll say that in this condition, okay, it is very risky. If you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you are in buy right now and you are in good profit. But if you are looking for fresh entry, then I'll say that you'll have to wait for retracement. Retracement level 122.40 to 122.50. This can be one retracement level because this was the previous high. There is a possibility that market will be taking support at the previous resistance. And if market bounces from 122.4050 level, you can go for a buy. This can be one retracement level. And in case if we see some sort of selling, and if market breaks also 122.4050 level, the next level will be 121.20. The chance of market testing the level 121.20 is very less without any news. Okay, but as of now, keep your eyes on the Japanese yen pairs and be careful. Okay, be careful and try to look for buying positions only, and be in touch with the news always. I think that once Japanese uh, the Bank of Japan actually the Bank of Japan declares anything regarding the inflation, or the finance minister says anything regarding the price hike, we will see some sort of correction, some sort of selling. So if you have an open position, be in touch with the news, and if you're a fan of Japanese yen pairs, then please be in touch with the news. Though market is flying right now, any news will bring some sort of selling as well. Okay, but as of now, again I'll say that buying, as long as we do not have any news in the market, buying and retracement is the best trading strategy. The next big resistance on the chart of USD JPY is 124 level. This is the resistance for the weekly chart. Okay, this is the resistance for the weekly chart on the USD JPY. But if the weakness on JPY continues, then obviously market will break the resistance and the market will go up. In that case, you can go for a buy also. Okay, but as of now, hold your horses. Let's wait and watch how the market reacts. And if market reverses and if the news comes out around 124 level, that will be very good for us. Okay, let's wait and watch. Bye bye, take care.